Lamborghini Dallas proudly presents this 2019 Lamborghini Huracan LP580-2. Equipped with a 5.2-liter, 580 horsepower V10 engine and a 7-speed LDF dual-clutch transmission with rear-wheel drive. This car is finished in a gorgeous Bianco Monocerus exterior color in Nero Day Unicolor Sportivo leather and Alcantara interior with white Cusatura pattern stitching. This Huracan is in pristine condition and comes well optioned, including transparent engine bonnet, forged composites engine bay, sport exhaust with black finishers, travel and smoker package, Unicolor Sportivo interior, branding package, front lift, parking sensors, rear view camera, silver calipers, and much more.